Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol SOBR, which is for SOBR. Why I'm bringing this to your attention, because if you look at the chart, look at the two blue line, the stock is setting up for a nice run up. Why? It is making higher low, at the same time it is approaching the resistance and few other things it might run. So that is why I'm making this video for you, so that you know what is going on, when to get in, when to get out, this kind of thing. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So in the morning SOBR, you can see that on our dated alert we had three stock. Basically we talked about Mulan, we talked about Snap, and we also talked about SOBR, right? And they did really good, because if you see that Mulan, just based on the breakout entry, it moved almost 19.8%. We had Snap, it came down a lot. So based on the entry, high of the day is 12.5%. So these two along with the SOBR was a nice trade. If you want to join my community, then the link will be in the first comment. You just have to join, so that you can get access to my Discord for daily trade ideas with different ticker symbols and everything. So anyway, we also have lots of crossover alert. You can see lots of things happening. It's a very busy place. So anyway, so I'm going to talk about SOBR, about the price action, but before that, few other things I want you to see here. In terms of the volume, this is not like a crazy volume. You can see SOBR was up 21% today. Not bad. Like when we identified in the morning, it was quite down, but it moved a lot. But the volume is only 5 million compared to average volume of 10 million. So it needs more volume. If you look at day by day volume, yeah, we had some days with 40 million, some days with 20, but now the volume is less. So with a 5 million volume, we moved 20% today. What about like a recent volume of 28 million? We can move a lot. And more interestingly, if you look at Ortex, the current short interest is 18.8%, which is really high. The utilization is 98.4%, meaning that only few shares are available to short. But the most important thing, cost to borrow is 447%, insane, meaning that whoever is shorting, they are paying a lot for shorting the stock. So if we get volume, few things will happen. It has a high short interest, it has a high cost to borrow fee rate, there will be less shares available to short. At the same time, if you look at the chart, it is about to break out. So when everything will align, I think it has the potential to run, because for last few days this thing is slowly going up while it is having a tough resistance. Look at the red line, 3.9. So it broke after our 3.9 and it hit 4.1, which was the September 20th resistance. It came down, but if you look at the chart, it is setting up really nicely. If you remember, and part of my community, you know, we played this before. It was around $1, then one day it went all the way to 4.1. So this thing can run even from here, 2.5, it went to 3.7. It has the potential for big run up. So keep an eye, because the chart is setting up really nicely. Short interest, cost to borrow fee rate, everything is aligning nicely. The only thing is needs some volume. If you look at day by day, you can see that how this thing is shaping up here. Lots of volume coming. The other thing is looking at the daily chart, you can also see that once we will go over this 4.1 area, it has some nice room. You see here around $6, it has some nice room to run. Maybe I'll just go back to a 4-hour chart and I will change the candle. I will also change the regular trading hour. So maybe you can see here. Yeah, so anyway, this is how it is looking like. Let me know your thoughts if you're planning to enter now, or if you're waiting. If you're waiting, I would say look for few other areas mostly. This is some of the areas I'm looking at. 3.4, maybe another entry, because you can see that 3.4 has some kind of support, because it was a resistance, so it might become a support here. So if 3.4, one support, if 3.4 is broken, and if you follow the trend line, maybe some areas around 3.1, 3.2 areas. Okay, so keep an eye. This thing is really setting up. But one other thing, if you're day trading, you can see that sometimes you wanted to break at 3.8, but it came back to 2.5. So always you have to have your risk management, you have to have your stop loss. If you are playing this for day trading, have a stop loss. If you are swinging it, then have some money in case it dips around 2.5. You can again load more. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, you can consider joining my private community so that you can get access to my Discord with daily trade alert, lots of bot alert when market is getting bullish, for scalp play, for long-term play, swing play. At the same time, we have option play as well. So anyway, OTC by the way, and future. Okay, take care. Bye bye.